Alright guys, welcome to the Tuesday Directions, working on some Lexington and Concord documents. Yesterday we did the notes on them, kind of explained the story and what was going on. You saw some videos. Today we're going to dive in a little bit deeper, and we're going to take a look here at the battles of Lexington and Concord. This is very similar to the Boston Massacre documents because we have some images we're going to look at. This is just for the online kids. If you need to kind of give yourself a little preview or kind of remind yourself of what's actually happening, you can just read through this. This is the stuff that I'm supposed to say, but normally we don't cover it all in detail. But here's kind of the deal for you guys. I just want this. I just want the documents. Okay, so we have document A, we have document B, and then we have the images on the other slides. Okay, so for document A and B, here are your questions that go with it. This is all the sourcing like we do at first, and this is kind of your why or why not. So this is kind of your opinion right here. Both answers are right if you believe them. If you don't believe them, as long as you can provide evidence why. And the closed reading is actually just like, you know, according to this document, who fired the first shot. So that one's pretty easy to kind of handle. And then the other questions have to do with image 1 and image 2. And so where you find those is right over here in this PowerPoint. It's the Battle of Lexington images. So when you click on this, it'll have the historical question we're looking at today. What happened at the Battle of Lexington? And then you have image 1 here. And then you have image 2 right here. And again, you'll be answering those image questions down here with this one. So 2 images, 2 documents today. And then obviously you have your little answers right there. But that should be it, guys. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Moving forward into the war, we'll talk about the beginnings of it and move our way through and see how the beginning of the war goes for America. Talk to you guys later.